Hi guys, Carl Spateri at Benchmark. Today talking to you about the pros and cons of a cash out refinance. And what's the biggest thing? Lower monthly payments, right? If you take cash out, well, your mortgage payment is going to go up, but if you're using the cash out for the right reasons, maybe you're going to have a lower monthly payment, such as paying off debt, paying off car loans, paying off student loans. Now, it's important to know that your home should not be treated as a piggy bank, right? It's not something you go to, an ATM machine, right? Oh, I think I'll take $10,000 out this week. It's very expensive to do a refinance, so be very, very careful. If you're taking cash out of your home to pay off bills, the really important thing is to make sure you don't run up the bills again. Your home is not a piggy bank. It should be a place to eventually, hopefully, pay down or pay off, or at least have the ability to. Paying off consumer debt could improve your credit scores, can help save you money because the higher the credit scores, maybe if you are in the position to have to buy a new car or something, maybe you're getting a 0% rate or something like that. So it's important to have good credit scores at all times. The biggest reason a lot of people will pull money out of their home is to be able to buy and afford shiny new toys. You get a boat, RV, whatever, shiny and new, and you enjoy it for about a month and a half, maybe 3 months, and then it just goes into the garage. You never use. No, that's not what you're gonna do, right? That takes me over to cons, and I think when it comes to cons, what is the biggest negative of taking cash out of your home? It's shiny new toys. You shouldn't look at your home as a way to get things that maybe you shouldn't have or can't afford at this time. Maybe you save up the cash to buy them. I'm a very firm believer in having as little equity in a home as you can possibly afford on a monthly basis, especially in today's environment of very, very low interest rates. However, taking money out of your home to buy a boat, a car, an RV that's going to depreciate 50%, 30% when you drive it off the lot may not be the best idea. Again, get a financial advisor, get sound financial advice on doing this kind of thing. You got a couple $1 million in investments, you got a house that's free and clear, and you're 70 years old and you want to buy an RV to see the country, that could be good. But other than that, I would rather have you kind of talk to a professional before you take the cash to buy the shiny toy. The other thing is having all your credit cards paid is going to open up additional credit. You owe big box bank credit card company $5,000 and that's your limit. As soon as you pay off the $5,000 you borrowed, they're going to up your limit to 10, which is a good thing. However, it's up to you not to spend the 10, right? Just be careful. Increasing credit limits can cause challenges for you in your life. Remember, taking money out of your home, even though you pay it off quicker, will take it out for a longer term. Always remember, with taking cash out of your home, markets do not move up forever. It's cyclical. They go up, they go down. Your home value will most likely go up and go down a little bit at times. Be really careful. You don't want to be upside down in your home. The moral here is to always use money responsibly. Equity is assets. It's money that you have, should not be spent foolishly just because it's equity out of your home. My passion is helping people make smart choices with money. I'd love to help you kind of figure this out. If you have any questions, comments, please respond below. Thank you very much. Have a good day.